Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce us from group 1. We want to introduce our group members. We consist of 3 people. They are and the last one I just called it. And my name is Aulia Nursekina Syam.
First of all, we look for the ingredients we will ask to make milk matcha. The ingredients we will ask are matcha powder and liquid milk. So, the first thing we do is pour enough water into the pot. Then, we turn on the stove and wait for the water to boil. And then, we take the matcha powder out of the package. And start pouring it into the glass. We pour the boiling water into the glass. Then we pour sugar water. And we mix it all up. We pour the liquid milk into a glass that has been mixed with matcha powder, hot water, and sugar water earlier. Look, it's very satisfying, isn't it? We add Oreos here, just as a sweetener appearance. You can give this or not. Ta-da! I love it.
That's all from us. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.